Welcome to our guide on fixing slow startup issues in Windows 10 and 11. Today we'll tackle common culprits like software conflicts, startup programs, and system optimization tweaks. Let's dive in. First up, we're going to use the disk cleanup tool. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type in cleanmgr and click OK. This will open up the disk cleanup utility. Here, you'll want to checkmark all the boxes to select all types of files for deletion. Once you've selected all, click OK, and then click on Delete Files to confirm. This will help free up some space by removing unnecessary files stored on your disk. Next, let's clear out the prepetch folder, which stores data about the applications you run to help them start faster. Again, press the Windows key plus R, type in prepetch, and press OK. Select all the files by pressing Ctrl plus A and then hit Delete. If any files can't be deleted because they're in use, just click Skip. Here is the next way. Press the Windows key plus R one more time, type in temp, and click OK. Just like before, select all these files with Ctrl plus A and press Delete. If prompted, click on Continue to confirm the deletion of any files currently not in use. And that's it. Close any open windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.